remember, it is recommended that when you are going to resend campaign, so you have to change the subject line and preview text. Okay, so that the subscribers don't think that you have Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Raza and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marketing Chamber. Today I am going to discuss with you that how to send campaign to non-openers. Okay, we can say that how to send campaign to those subscribers who does not open your email or does not open your previous email. Okay, so suppose that this is the campaign that I want to resend to those subscribers who does not open this email campaign. Okay, so this is the name Canva designing. So for that, what is the first thing is you have to make a segment for the non-openers, and then you have to send this campaign to those to that segmentation. Okay, so I will go to the list and segmentation, and there I will select the option create list and segment. So I will click on segment. Okay, so here I will give it a name. So the campaign, we can name it segmentation non-openers. Okay, so here I will add definitions, what someone has done uh, when he has received email. Okay, received email, and just at least once over all the time. So here I will add filter. So choose property campaign name. So here we will add campaign name that you want to resend. Okay, so our campaign name is Canva designing. Okay, Canva designing, and inside bracket my channel name was there, so I write it here. So okay, so then I will add and function. So here I will use what someone has done. He has received but he does not opened, so I will add open at least 0 times over all the time. And here we also need to add the filter, same campaign name. Okay, so here again I can copy it, Control C and Control V, again and function. So here I will add definition for that subject that he does not click them. Okay, so click the email 0 times overall time, and same add filter and campaign name. Okay, so after adding it here I can again paste the copied text. Okay, so this is the definition for the non-opener segmentation. So here I will click on create segment. So I will our segmentation, is going to be done, but I don't have subscribers list here, so I'm just doing it for you, so that you can make understand that how you can resend campaign. Okay, and how you can make segmentation for non-openers. So after making it, I will go to campaign. Okay, so here you can see the campaigns. So this is the campaign that I want to send resend again. So I have already discussed with you. So then I will go to this option. Okay, so I will click on clone mean copy. Okay, so here I will give it name non-opener, because I want to send it for non-opener. So here we have to select the list or subscribe segmentation to that we want to send this campaign. Okay, so I will click on so this is the segmentation non-openers that we have made recently. So I will click on it and clone campaign. Okay, so after clicking on it, here we don't need to give it a name because we already have given it. Okay, so here the segmentation that we have selected. Okay, so then I will click on content, continue to content. Okay, so the remaining is same as we do for sending campaign. Okay, so after that you will need to schedule it or send it right now or whatever the time you are sending campaign. Okay, so remember, it is recommended that when you are going to resend campaign, so you have to change the subject line and preview text. Okay, so that the subscribers don't think that you have again send the same campaign, same email to that subscriber. Okay, so you have to renovate. Okay, so you have to renovate your campaign, your subject line and preview text, so that you can convince the subscriber to open your campaign and click your campaign. Okay, so then you can continue to review. Okay, so you can also use A/B test if you want. So but I don't want to discuss it here. I have already uploaded A/B test for campaign, so you can watch it on my channel. So after it, the same process is as we follow for campaign. Okay, so then you will schedule it or send it uh, straight away. Okay, so if you find some good thing from this video and you don't have subscribed my channel, so kindly do subscribe and stay tuned, stay happy. Thank you.